Meaning of honky.
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 Honky. Honky is a derogatory term used primarily by African Americans to refer to white people. The origin of the word is uncertain, but it is believed to have originated in the early 1900s, possibly from the word hunky, which was used to refer to Eastern European immigrants. The term gained prominence during the civil rights movement of the 1960s and was often used as an insult toward white people perceived to be racist or unsympathetic to the struggles of Black Americans. Its use is considered offensive and should be avoided.